Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, and y'all know how we do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into the best deals that you can do this week. So first thing we're going to get started with is some Dove deals. This is a Dove week for sure at the pub. We're going to grab the Dove body wash. You could also get the shampoo and conditioner because that's a little bit cheaper if you prefer it. But I prefer the Dove body wash. So I'm going to grab 2 of these for $5.99 each. That's going to total us up to $11.98. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $11.98. And then we're going to use our 5 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll bring us to $6.98. Then we're going to use 2 of the $2 coupons in the extra savings flyer. That'll make our final cost $2.98 or just $1.49 each. We are also going to be grabbing this deal on the Dove stick deodorant that started on Saturday. So these are $3.99. We're going to pick up a total of 3 of these. So 3 of these is $11.97. We are going to be using 3 of those $2 coupons again from the extra savings flyer. That'll save us $6, bring us to $5.97. Then we're also going to use our 5 off of 3 Unilever digital coupon. That'll bring us to just 97 cents for all 3 or 33 cents each. Another option for the Dove deal is these bars right here. So this would be the same breakdown as the Dove body wash. You could pick up 2 of these instead and use those same digital coupons, the 5 off of 2 digital, plus a total of 2 of the extra savings flyer coupons, and pay $1.49 for these as well. You can grab OGX for just $3.99 each if this is your brand of choice. These are $9.49 regular price, but this week when you buy 2, you're going to save $5 off. So go on ahead and pick up 2 of them. That'll total you up to $8.98. You'll save $5 with the sale, but then you'll also save $6 with our digital coupon. That'll make your final price for these just $3.99 each. The Arm & Hammer Deep Clean is buy one, get one for $8.99. If you live in Half BOGO, you can pick up 1 of them for $4.50. Use the $2 digital coupon. That'll make it just $2.50 for 1. If you still can use the Arm & Hammer rebate for $2, if you haven't submitted for that already, you can do that as well. That'll make your final cost just 50 cents for 1 bottle. We're going to do a similar deal to what we did last week on the Caesar 12-count dog food. This time a different variety is on sale that does work for the Ibotta rebate, giving us back $1, so it'll be a little bit better. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the packs that are $15.99, buy one, get one. You could also get the ones that are $19.19, but those cost a little bit more. So we're going to get the ones that are $15.99, buy one, get one. All right, you guys, so I'm going to get 1, but you could do this deal exactly the same way, buying 2. If you live in True BOGO, you can just pick up 2. The breakdown is the same, it's just doubled. So I'm going to pick up just 1 of these in Half BOGO, and that would be $7.99 after the buy one, get one sale. I'll use my $5 manufacturer coupon and pay $2.99 at the register, but then I'm going to get back $3 from Fetch Rewards for this deal, plus $1 from Ibotta, so that'll make it a $1 money maker. To make this deal a bigger money maker, I'm also going to pick up 3 of the Caesar singles. This is so that I can reach that spend 10, get back $3 on Fetch twice. With me only picking up 1 of these, I'm only going to be at $15.99. But if I add 3 of these singles in, I'm going to be at $20. So I'll get back $6 from Fetch. So it's really worth it for me to pick up some of these singles. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these for $4.17. Let me show you the breakdown. So I'm going to add in 3 of these. That'll be $4.17. I have a 2 off of 3 manufacturer coupon, and I also have $2 back on Ibotta. That'll make it 17 cents at the register for 3. But I'm also going to get back another $3 from Fetch Rewards, which makes this deal an almost $3 moneymaker. Notice on Shopkick, we also have 300 kicks back when I pick up 3 of these because you get 100 kicks each. And I'm also going to scan. So that'll be another $1.20 back for these. So these are already free, even if you don't add them in with the big dog food. But with this, that makes them like a $4.20 moneymaker. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful 4th of July holiday. If you're watching this around the 4th, are you guys cooking? Do you got some good weather where you at? I will not be cooking. I am going to be putting my feet up and relaxing. This Airwick deal reset for me on Ibotta, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this advanced plug. So these are $4.99 regular price. We have a $2 digital coupon, but it's an older digital, so you have to already have it clipped. That makes it $2.99 plus $3 back on Ibotta, making it free. We have a couple milk deals that I'm not going to do, but you might want to if you need some milk. So the Mooala milk is buy one, get one for $4.49, and we do have $1 printable coupons on their website. You can print as many as you like. So you can pick up 2 for $4.49. Use 2 of those $1 coupons. You'll pay just $2.49 for 2 bottles, or $1.25 each. The DHA milk, this organic family first milk, is not on sale, so it's regular price, but it's still a good deal with all of the rebates that we have. So it's $6.79, but we have a buy one get one free coupon that you can get from their website. I will try to remember to link that down in the description box. That'll leave you to pay $6.79 for 2, but then you can get back $1.50 from Ibotta, and you can also get back $2 from Merrifield. That'll make your final cost for 2 of these just $3.29. That makes them just $1.64 each, which is $5 off the normal price. We have a nice deal on the Chameleon Cold Brew. This is buy one, get one for $9.99. So I'm going to pick up one of them for $4.99. I have a $2 digital coupon that'll leave me to pay $2.99 at the register. Then I'm going to get back $2 from Ibotta, making my final cost for this item just 99 cents. The Clio Greek yogurt bars are buy one, get one for $5.99. I'm going to pick up one of them for $2.99. I have $1.25 back on Ibotta, and I also have $2 back on Aisle. It's going to make this free plus a 25-cent moneymaker. Springer Mountain Farms is buy one, get one for $4.99. I'm going to pick up 2 of them and use 2 of the $1.50 printable coupons that you can get when you sign up for their emails. So that'll make my final cost for these just $1.99 or 99 cents each. We have a really nice deal on the Ensure and the Protality nutrition shakes. This is actually really good. I've been drinking these because they have like 30 grams of protein in them. They are designed for weight loss. So if you are on a GLP-1 medication like me, this is a really good thing to have in your kitchen. So what you could do is pick up one of these Protality 4-packs for $13.69 and then one of these for $11.49. Let me show you the breakdown for this. So both of these would total up to $25.18. You would save $5 with the sale for picking up 2, and then you want to use $5 coupons on each one. So $5 for the Ensure, and then the $5 digital for the Protality is going to take off $10. Then you can submit over to Ibotta for $4 on the Protality, and make sure final cost for these two just $6.18 or $3.09 each. Was not a bad price, coming all the way down from $13.69. The stevia on the raw is buy one, get one this week. So if you want to pick up these products, it's a really good deal. So you could pick up 2 of these 50-count packs for $3.99 BOGO and use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon and pay 49 cents each. My store literally has one of these left. So I'm going to grab one of the $3.99 packs, and then I'm also going to grab one of the $3.59 monk fruit because these are included as well. So my final cost for both of these will be just 78 cents. The Easy Foil pans are buy one, get one for $2.79. I'm going to pick up one of the ones, or they also have some for $2.49. That'll be even cheaper. Let me see which one I'm going to get. I think I might, I'm going to get the one that's $2.79. So I'll pick up one of these for $1.39. Use the $1 digital coupon that expires today. So this is a Wednesday only deal. It'll make this just 39 cents. So there's still a lot of clearance in the baby section, and I noticed that the Gerber is on clearance still. So the pears and the applesauce is already sold out, which would be more ideal. All they have left at my store is these prunes, but I think I'm still going to get these because this would be a good donation item. So I'm going to pick up a total of 5 of these. I think they still have 5. Yeah, so I'm going to pick up 5 of these. That'll total me up to $2.75, but I'm going to get back $3 from Ibotta for picking up all 5. It'll make all of these completely free, and I can donate these. The Belvita breakfast biscuits are buy one, get one for $5.19. So one of them will just cost $2.59. So we can pick up these and then submit over to Ibotta for $1 in cash back. It'll make them $1.59 each after Ibotta. Next, I'm going to mix and match some old El Paso products that are buy one, get one. If you're in Florida, you need to buy 2 of the same. Do keep that in mind that you may have to work your deal a little bit differently. But I'm going to grab one of the Mexican rice that are buy one, get one for $2.89. So that'll be $1.45. And then I'm also going to get one of the Carb Advantage taco shells. That'll be $2.49. So both of these are going to total me up to $3.94. And then I'm going to use the $1 off of 2 digital coupon at the register. I'll pay out $2.94. But then I'm going to get back $1 on Ibotta for the taco shells, and then 50 cents for the rice. It'll make my final cost for these two just $1.44. When we divide that up, that's just 72 cents each. Do not need any Cheerios this week, but if you do, it's not a bad deal. These are buy one, get one for $5.29. Use the dollar off of 2 digital coupon, pay $4.29 at the register, then submit over for 75 cents back on each on Ibotta. It'll make your final cost for 2 boxes just $2.79 or $1.40 each. The rice-a-roni, or macaroni, I should call it, simply pasta, is buy one, get one for $2.89. We have a dollar off of 2 digital coupons, so that'll bring you down to $1.89 for 2 or just $1.45 per box. The Thomas Bagels are buy one, get one for $5.49. We still have $1.70 back on Fetch Rewards. That'll make your final cost for 2 of them just $1.89 each. This Pure Leaf deal, I actually had to do a couple times to get it right, so I wanted to wait until I actually did it to give you the breakdown. The first time I had to return it, so make sure that you scan each one of these flavors because the zero sugar did not attach to the digital coupons. But we have 3 different digital coupons that I wanted to see how they were working together. We have a buy 2, get 1 free, a 2 off of 2, and we also have a 2 off of 1. So of course, if you live in half BOGO, the easiest way to do this deal is just to pick up 1, use that $2 digital, and it'll be free plus a small moneymaker. Now I wanted to go on ahead and pick up 4 of them because we do like these. So I picked up 4. That totals up to $4.98, and I wanted to see how that was going to work out with all 3 of these digitals. Would they all come off? How would it work? Well, how it worked is only 2 of them came off. The buy 2, get 1 free came off, and the $2 off of 1. So I ended up saving a total of $4.29 on 2 of them with both of those digitals coming off, leaving me to pay 69 cents for 4, which is not bad at all. That makes them 17 cents each. All right, you guys, so I just realized that this store that I'm at does not carry what I need to do the next part of the deal that I want to do, because I have a pretty big deal that I want to do and I need certain products that are included in that deal in order to do it. So I'm going to wrap up my first part of my haul right here. So this will be a 2-store day for me, and we're going to get all of these items first, and then I'm going to head over to the next store. I'm actually going to put down this refrigerator stuff because I don't want this stuff to sit in my car, so I might put this back and get it at the next store. But I'm going to wrap up this part right here, and then we'll head to the next store to finish our shopping for this week. So we're at store number 2. Before I go into the next deal, I just want to show you guys my receipt from the first store. So for everything after my coupons, I paid $37.11, which is a little bit higher because my coupons didn't come off for the Lipton. So I had to return 3 of those because I did not realize that the zero sugar variety wasn't attaching to the digitals. I scanned the unsweetened and that attached, so I assumed that the zero sugar would be okay, but it's not. So you have to scan everything. So I returned 3 of those and I got back $3.89. And I also got back $16.50 from Ibotta. I got back $1.20 from Shopkick, and I submitted my receipt over to Fetch Rewards. Now from Fetch, I was expecting to get back $6, but we only got back $3 because it said I was $2 short for these Caesars. So one of those Caesars that I picked up was not tracking right. So I'm going to do that Caesars deal. I'm going to grab a couple more of those. No biggie, since that's a moneymaker. I'm going to grab a couple more of those when I do this deal so I can get back that Fetch money. So everything in the cart for the first store, after we got back that $1.20 from Shopkick as well, cost us $12.52. Let's get into some more deals. So this right here that you can find in the soda aisle, not the water, is what I came to this store for, because my store that I normally shop at does not carry this item, and we absolutely love San Pellegrino. So I wanted to pick up these new sparkling drinks that they have. These are on sale this week. They're on the front of the extra savings flyer, 2 for $11. I'm going to be picking up a total of 4 of them because we have Ibotta rebates giving back $2, but there's more to this deal, so let me show you my breakdown. And then to go with my San Pellegrino, I'm going to be getting 3 of the California Pizza Kitchen pizzas. You can get whichever ones you want. I'm going to get this good barbecue chicken pizza. We're going to get 3 of these. These are on sale this week as well. They're on sale 2 for $6, so each one will be just $6. We have no coupons or rebates for this. So this is going to be my complete deal. This totals up to exactly $40. We have $22 worth of San Pellegrino, and then we have a total of $18 worth of pizza. Now the reason I decided to pick up $40 worth of these products is because one of you guys last week, thank you to you, I'm gonna have to put your name up on the screen because I don't remember what your name is, but you tagged me on Facebook in this brand new rebate that we have for Nestle products that you can do up to 5 times per household, you guys. 5 times for this deal, so you can wear it out. This is spend 40, get back $20 on participating Nestle products. And of course, everything that we're picking up in this deal is included, and everything is going to be $40. So no coupons for this deal. We're going to pay out the $40, but we'll get back a $20 Visa card for spending 40 on Nestle, and we should get back a total of $8 in Ibotta rebates for the San Pellegrino. And we also have an Ibotta bonus for the San Pellegrino that I think we might get as well. So if so, that'll be $9 back from Ibotta for this deal, which turns this into a beautiful situation because that gives us $29 back after we spend the 40. So with that $29 back for this rebate, that makes each one of these items just $1.57 each. And if you go on the website, I will have it linked in the description box. You can mix and match these products if you don't like to pick up the ones that I'm getting, like if you don't care for San Pellegrino, or if you don't like the California Pizza Kitchen, you might find a deal on something that you do like. There are so many products that are included in that list. The list is so long. So just mix and match how you would like it. But this is a great deal to do because you're saving 50% on food and grocery items just off top with the rebate. And if you can stack on some Ibotta rebates with it, it just turns into a magical situation. So I'm super excited because these are items that we do not get couponing that often, and we're about to get them for $1.57 each with that rebate. I also need to pick up my ice cream deals since I'm at the second store. I didn't want to get my ice cream or my Clio bars at the other store because it was going to melt in my hot car. So I'm going to get the whole fruit bars. I'm just going to get one box because y'all know how my freezer space is set up. We're just going to get one box, but I'm going to give you the breakdown for 2 in case you live in a True BOGO area. So you can pick up 2 of these for $4.89. We have $1 manufacturer coupons that you want to use that'll bring you down to $2.89. And then we also have $1 back on Ibotta for each box. That'll make your final cost just 89 cents for 2 boxes or 45 cents each. I'm also going to grab one of the Blue Bunny, but I'm just going to get one. So I'll get one of these. They're buy one, get one for $4.89. So each one of these should be $2.45. And then we have a $2 digital coupon that makes it 45 cents. And then I'm also going to submit over to Shopkick for 70 cents. So that'll make it free plus a small money maker. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my next transaction. I have everything I need at this store now. So let's go up and check out, and then we will finally be done with Publix for today. My second transaction worked out beautifully. This is everything that I got in my second transaction, and I ended up paying out $47.73 after my coupons, and then I got back a lot of different rebate money. So I got back $13.25 from Ibotta because we did get that bonus for the San Pellegrino. And I also got back my $3.02 from Fetch this time. I also got back a total of $1.90 from Shopkick. I got back $2 for the Clio bars from Aisle. And then, of course, we're also submitting back for that $20 rebate for Nestle. That brings my final cost for this cart down to just $7.56. Yes, y'all, $7.56, and we got the goods. We got the good stuff. So $7.56 plus about $12.50 that I paid in that first transaction. This entire haul today, so 2 carts worth, cost us a $20 bill, which I will take. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.